This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
Before you're ready to create your invoice, you can take a look at all of the expenses in your stable through this transaction section. You can filter. There's a whole range of different ways you can filter it. So you can restrict the time frame. So you can do just for August, say. That'll basically update all these for August. You can review by horse. So if you just wanted to look at one horse, the system will show you all the charges for that horse and the bill out. You can then rearrange the dates to whichever way you want. Review by supplier, so you can have a look at all the supplier expenses as well. All the items, so credit notes and daily charge for that period. There's none. I'll have a look at all your farriers there for August. And then obviously you can look at your accounts receivable or payables description, etc. The other thing you can do here is you can always go and edit these costs. So if you need to edit the cost, you can edit either that individual cost or you can edit the whole lot. So this one here, post-race vitamins, that was created via the race custom expense creation. So you can actually go and edit that, edit all the expenses and make it that they were $20 instead of $25. So that'll then update all of the expenses related to that. So you can see that's now 20. So it's changed them all to $20. The other thing you can do is obviously delete them. You can attach an invoice to them if you need to, or the other thing you can do is obviously here is split the expense. So when we split an expense, it might be that one of these owners wants to pay for the expense. So if say Andre here wanted to have these vitamins, but George and John didn't, you can actually split that expense so that Andre ends up paying the whole lot. Click save, and then you see that turns green, and so that expense there will only be allocated to Andre. Once you've done all that, you're ready to start processing your end of month statement.